Hey, what's up everyone? Let's make T-bone in the air fryer. One of the things I like to do is while I'm getting my steaks up to room temperature, I'll wrap them with paper towel. That helps to wick out moisture, and moisture does not equal flavor, so that's a tip for y'all. One thing I think most people do is they underestimate how long it takes for a steak to come to room temperature, so we're gonna check it. And we're looking at 64 degrees. That's close enough. You'd be amazed at how long it takes. Now we're gonna pat it down with some black pepper and truffle seasoning. You can use whatever you like. Add lots of seasoning. Pat that in. All right, we're gonna set our trusty air fryer to, of course, air fry. I'm gonna go 400 degrees. We're gonna preheat this for just a few minutes to get it to temperature before we put our steak in. All right, air fryer is preheated. I'm gonna grab our steak. We're gonna place it right in the middle. You can hear it sizzle. And we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes, but we're gonna go 5 minutes, flip it. Then we're gonna check the temperature at 4 minutes. So let's put that in and get started. All right, that's been 5 minutes. We're gonna pull it out and we're gonna give it a flip. All right, it's looking good, smelling amazing. And we're gonna put it in for, you know what, I'm gonna go 4 minutes and then check the temperature. Ideally, I'm not going over 140 for medium. All right, let's pull this T-bone out. Looks and smells amazing. As you can see, she's getting nice and done. All right, let's grab this and let's give it a rest. And we're gonna put that right there. Give it a little plate tent. Let rest for 5 minutes. All right, now it's time to check our steak and see how we did. I have a feeling we snuck past medium, but let's check the temperature, see where we're at. 127 there. 129. Well, I guess we are medium rare-ish. That's all right. All right, now let's cut this apart and let's see how it looks. This one's got a baby tenderloin on it, so let's cut that off. And let's go after the strip. All right, let's cut this and see what we got. Ooh. Yeah, we're looking medium-ish. It smells so good. Tender. Just a little bit of warm red center. Now's my favorite part. We're gonna do a taste test. All right, now is the best part. We're gonna give it a taste test. Super tender. Soft. Still moist. The seasoning is good. I could have put a little more on. It looked like I put a lot on, but it's surprising. Can't undersalt and underseason our meat, but so delicious. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.